Hello everyone. This video will walk you through how to fix ARC Raiders crashing on Steam. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find ARC Raiders in your game list. I don't have the game installed right now, but the process will be the same. Right-click on the game and choose Properties. Make sure you're on the General tab. Look for the Launch Options box. Click inside the box and type -DX11. Close the window and try launching the game. If the game still crashes, go back to the same place and replace that text with -D3D11 instead. Some systems work better with one option than the other. Next, stay inside the Properties window and switch to Installed Files. Click on the button that verifies the integrity of game files. Steam will now scan the game and fix any missing or broken files. This process can take a few minutes. When it finishes, close the Properties window. Now minimize Steam and open your graphics card software. If you are using an NVIDIA graphics card, open the NVIDIA app. Go to the Drivers section and make sure Game Ready driver is selected. Download and install the latest driver. If you already have the newest driver, use the Reinstall option to reinstall it cleanly. If you are using an integrated graphics card, right-click on the Windows Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters, right-click on your graphics device, and choose Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and let Windows handle the update. After that, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Open the official Microsoft page. Scroll down until you see a list of downloads. Download both the x86 and x64 versions. Install them one by one. If the installer says they are already installed, choose the repair option instead. Next, disable any overlays that can cause crashes. Open the NVIDIA app, go to Settings, and turn off the in-game overlay. Open Steam, click on Steam in the top left, go to Settings, then In-Game, and disable the Steam overlay. Once this is done, restart your computer. After the restart, launch ARC Raiders normally. This should fix most crashing problems on Steam. Thanks for watching.